So the next problem we're going to look into is exercise 10, section 1.1. Show that the function u of xy is equal to arctan of y of x is a solution that satisfies the two-dimensional Laplace's equation given here. U of sub xx plus u sub yy is equal to 0. So what we want to do is show u of xy equal to arctan of y over x is a solution for Laplace's equation u sub xx plus u sub yy is equal to 0. So we take the first partial derivative of u with respect to x. So that's partial x of arctan y over x. And when we do this, normally if we take the derivative with respect to x of arctan, recall that this is really 1 over x squared plus 1. But we have a function in here. So this is actually like x here is really equal to y over x. Or we could say maybe this is w is equal to y over x. So we'd have to take the derivative of the inside as well. So it's a chain rule. So we take the derivative of arctan, which is 1 over w squared, so y over x squared plus 1, times the derivative of this term here. And so when we take the derivative, of this term, y stays as a constant, right? And the derivative of x to the negative 1 is negative x to the negative 2. So this becomes x squared. And we can further simplify this. If I distribute this x squared in the denominator to each term, this x squared here cancels with this x squared, and that becomes y squared plus x squared. So in the denominator, we get y squared plus x squared. But that's only the first partial derivative. We need to take this second partial derivative. Well, the second partial derivative is really just the derivative of this term here. So partial of partial x of, I'm just going to take the negative out now because it's just a constant. And that's really what we're taking the derivative of here. So we can rewrite this so that we can, Allie. So the next part, we're going to take the second partial derivative. And so we can rewrite, I pulled the negative out here, and we can rewrite this in product rule form, where we can say that this will be like f, and then g will be like this term below. So it'll be x squared plus y squared to the negative 1. So we can rewrite this, and so we can do a product rule with these terms. So yeah, so that's what we get here. And then we can do this. That's y is like constant, and we end up with, we can pull that y out, and we can end up with the derivative of this term is really just negative 1 times x squared plus y squared, and then the derivative of the inside of this term with respect to x is 2x. So we end up with 2xy over x squared, this is to the negative 2, plus y squared. So that's what we get here. And then we can further find u sub y. So we can further now, since we're trying to really see if this arctan of y is a solution to Laplace's equation. So next thing we need to do, since we found u sub xx, we need to find u sub yy, or the second partial derivative with respect to u with respect to y. And we have to first find the first partial derivative, arctan of y over x. And we can do that by taking the partial of partial y of arctan of y over x. And when we do that again, we get similar form here, plus 1. And then we have to take the derivative with respect to y of y over x. And we end up with 1 over y squared over x squared plus 1 times times the 1 over, well, we can keep the y, so that it becomes y times y over x, right? Because, well, I guess the derivative of y is 1. And so then we get 1 over x, and then that's equal to 1 over y squared. If we distribute this x into this term here, sorry, this is a 1. And if we distribute this x into here, we end up with y squared over x plus x. And then we can further just simplify that as 1 over y squared over x plus x squared over x. We could just rewrite that conveniently in that form. And so that's kind of what we write. And then we can rewrite that because these are the common denominator, we can flip it, and it ends up being x over x squared plus y squared. But we actually need to get the second partial derivative of u with respect to y, and that gives us, that'll be, we want to take the derivative of this guy, this term that we just found, which is x over x squared plus y squared. And we can easily do that again and rewrite that in terms of product rule notation, but we don't really need to because this just acts as a constant with respect to y. So we can actually just say, hey, we'll just pull x out of the partial derivative because it's really a constant with regard to y, and we end up with just like 1 over x squared plus y squared. Or we can rewrite that if we want to get a little more fancy, I guess. We could just say that's really just x squared plus y squared raised to the minus 1, right? And when we take the derivative of that, we end up with times negative, we bring that in the front and then subtract 1, and that's x squared plus y squared to the minus 2. Then by chain rule, we take the derivative of the inside with respect to y, we end up with 2y. So simplifying this, we end up with a negative 2xy all over x squared plus y squared squared. And I think before, when I did u of xx, I wrote -2 here, but I forgot to write it down here. So that'll be important in the next step. So this is what I did here. So we went from u sub y partial derivative, getting this. We took the second partial derivative with respect to this term. We took the x out because that's basically a constant with regard to y. We end up with 1 over x squared. We rewrite that in a convenient form. Multiply, we take the product rule, or not product rule, we take the derivative of this term. And by chain rule, we have -1, keep the inside, minus 1 as the derivative. And then we end up with this term. And then the derivative of this term inside of this term is 2y. Rewriting this in a simplified manner, we end up with -2xy, x squared plus y squared as u sub y. Now, unifying u sub x, 2xy, x squared plus y squared, and you add those two terms together. If I add these two terms together, I end up with 0. And this here, we can, so u of xx, we'll just write u of xx up here, is 2xy over x squared plus y squared squared. So that's what u of xx. And Laplace's, or called Laplace's equation, is u sub xx plus u sub yy is equal to 0. Well, I don't even have to rewrite that, but you can tell that this negative term plus that term is equal to 0. So we have, in fact, improved that those two are, that we have in fact proved that arctan of y over x is in fact a solution for the Laplace's equation.